Hey Tom, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over a few things you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business, specifically from a digital marketing and search engine optimization standpoint. So I know Cynthia spoke with my partner Nate last week and was saying that you guys might be interested in this, so I'm just going to go ahead and dive into it, show you a few things you could do in-house, like I said, to bring in more customers. And if you like what you hear and you want to go further, then you can go ahead and give me a call or email me back. If not, you can just simply take this plan and use it yourself to help grow your business. So without further ado, let me dive right into it. So first thing, just looking at your site, I like how it looks. It's a good looking site. I like all the clickable links you have and the places it goes, kind of showing what you guys can do, and like kind of like a mini blog area. But again, this is strictly SEO. So the first thing we look at is actually content. So it looks like you're meeting the minimum threshold, but to verify, there's a tool I use called SEO Quick, which you can get for free. It's a Google plugin. It kind of shows you everything on the face value of a website. So what we recommend and suggest based on the Google algorithms and things we found that work is to have a minimum of 1,500 or 1,500 words on that homepage. I can see that you have 1,252, so you're just a little bit shy. So just adding 300 or 400 more words in your website would really help. Now the reason I say that is because it's twofold. One, like I said, the algorithms really like to see that minimum threshold number of 1,500. But secondly, and more importantly, what it does is it allows you to actually put in more keywords. And keywords are huge, and I'll show you why. First, when I'm talking about keywords, I'm talking about anything that goes into this Google search bar. So anything typed in and clicked search is actually considered a keyword. Even though it's 4 words, it's one keyword. So for example, we can see I typed in foundation repair Kansas City, but other ones could be affordable foundation repair Kansas City, foundation repair near me, best foundation repair Kansas City, and you can kind of see that that's the keyword ideas. So as you saw, I clicked on it a little bit on accident, but this is going to be your #1 competitor, this KC Pier in the Kansas City area. Now we can see that their content is similar to yours. They might have the same amount. Actually, they're probably going to be a little over. If we look at SEO Quick real quick, yeah, they have 6,800 words. So you can see they're beating you in content. So right there is one area that is super easy to fix by just adding more content, more information to your website. But the second thing is, like I said, keywords. Now another tool I use is called Ahrefs right here. Now Ahrefs is great, but it's kind of expensive. It's $250 a month, but it shows you everything going on behind the scenes of the website. So we can see that your competitor is being found in Google for 887 keywords. But what's cool about this tool is we can see exactly what words. So foundation repair Kansas City, KC Pier, piering foundation cost, foundation pier cost, sump pump Kansas City, so on and so forth. But what I want to highlight is 2 areas. One, the search volume. So we can see for this exact search, it's showing 700 searches a month, and that's current as of 5 days ago. The second thing I want to draw your attention to is their position in Google. So for this one, they're second, first, fifth, sixth, so on and so forth to the comparative keyword. Now the reason I bring that up is that Google releases every year their click rates, or how often websites are clicked. And it shows that 80% of people don't even scroll past the first page when they're looking for something. So if you're not in those top 5, you're not going to really get seen. If you're on that second, third, fourth page, then hang it up, because ultimately only 20% of people are scrolling that fast, and at that point there's a good chance that they're really not going that in depth on your website. So you want to make sure you're at the top, which is the last point I'll talk about. How do you get there? Well, going back to Ahrefs, what we'll focus on today is just going to be one area of off-site search engine optimization, and that's backlinking. A backlink is a link from one website to another website, and when that happens, there's kind of a transfer of power. So you want to make sure you have more backlinks, and they've got to be relevant to your website. But the key thing is that they need to be good quality backlinks. You don't want to have spammy backlinks, because if you have a lot of backlinks from all over but they're not relevant or they're spammy, for example, you'll get a lot of emails from SEO offshore from foreigners that use like foreign spammy sites that they build. Those will actually bring your ranking down, because Google can identify what a good site is and a bad site. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. You want to be with the popular kids, so to speak. So we can look at yours, PierMagic.com. I ran yours as well in Ahrefs, and we can see you actually have a lot more backlinks. But as I said, you need to make sure that they're quality. Without going too into detail and going deep into the searching right now in this video, I can't see exactly why, but my guess would be that you have some spammy links in there, or the quality or power of the backlinks that you have just aren't there to bring your site up. Now the last thing I'll touch on is just how this is all actually effective. So we can see that you're currently drawing in 67 clicks a month, and that's down 23 from last month. However, your competitor is drawing in 802 searches a month, organic searches a month, and that is only down 25. So you can really see, if you only got 10% of those as customers, that's 80 more customers a month. I'm sure that would be nice to have. So to sum it all up, we talked about three things. We talked about content and how you want to have 1,500 words or more. We discussed keywords, and I showed you just how many searches and how important it is to be at the top for those keywords because there's a lot of traffic. Lastly, we just talked about some tools such as Ahrefs to show you that you can do offsite SEO, primarily backlinking, and we discussed that a little bit. Now, if you can see the value in this and you want to know more, then you can go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488, and we can further discuss a way ahead or things that we can offer. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.